Welcome to Northampton Road Runners. We're honoured to be finalists at this year's East Midlands Regional Volunteer Awards. Our club has been transformed in the past year, and that's thanks to a strong committee led by our chairman, Roger Taylor.
Running is for everyone. We've been trying to create a club that encourages 5k runners through to ultra runners and everyone else in between, a real nice community of runners. My role is to inspire our committee, to give us a bit of direction, and also to set a positive example for all of the members in the club. When we started our little campaign to build the club at the end of lockdown, we went from 100 members to 230 members. We're doing really well. And last month we had 85 people running the Northampton Half Marathon. So we're very happy with our lovely little club, and we're hoping we get more of that in the future.
Northampton Road Runners continues to grow as we've now moved to our new home with state-of-the-art facilities at the University of Northampton.